You could be just one trade away from changing your financial life, but what if the signals you're following are lying to you? There's a tool claiming it can predict the market with up to 93% accuracy. That's not a typo, 93%. It's called VIP indicators, and thousands of traders are using it daily. But here's the million-dollar question. Does it actually work? Or is it just another shiny promise in a world full of overhyped scams? Let me show you what I discovered after digging deep into this tool, testing it, and separating the signal from the noise. Trading is full of broken dreams. You start with hope, maybe a couple $100 and a dream of financial freedom, but very soon the charts feel like they're written in a foreign language. You get a few wins, but then one bad trade wipes out your gains, or worse, your entire account. So what do? We search for shortcuts. We look for a magic bullet, something that will tell us when to buy, when to sell, and when to walk away. That's where VIP indicators comes in. It promises to be your personal market whisperer, your trading assistant, your edge. It's not just one indicator, it's a full suite of tools. 5 custom-built algorithms for TradingView, designed to help you detect trends, reversals, support and resistance zones, and potential entries, without needing to stare at charts for hours. First, there's the VIP Market Scanner, a tool that automatically searches across dozens of assets and time frames to highlight potential opportunities. If you've ever wasted time clicking through random charts hoping to find a good setup, this changes the game. It tells you where to look, fast. Then comes Cloud Band Signals. This one's all about clarity. It plots real-time buy and sell zones based on volatility and price action. No more second guessing if that candle means reversal or continuation. And the Market Prediction Indicator? It's designed to project where price is likely to go next. Using historical data and momentum tracking, it gives you a clear directional bias. It's like GPS for your trades, not perfect, but shockingly close. The suite also includes the Trend Navigator and VIP Oscillator, which helps confirm the strength of a trend, and finally, the Support and Resistance Matrix, which automatically plots the zones where price is most likely to react. Now let's pause. All that sounds impressive, but tools like these are only useful if they're accurate and if they're usable. You don't want something that clutters your chart or gives you mixed signals, so I tested it. Over 2 weeks, I used the indicators across major forex pairs and crypto assets. I compared its signals against my own manual analysis, and what I found was surprisingly good. Let's talk accuracy. No tool gets it right 100% of the time, but what you want is consistency. And the VIP indicator suite was consistent. Out of 20 trades taken strictly based on the signals, 14 ended up in profit. That's a 70% success rate. Not quite the 93% they advertise. But remember, that number includes optimal conditions, not live trades with emotion, slippage, and human error. But here's where it really stood out. It helped eliminate bad trades. The clear signals stopped me from entering during choppy sideways markets. And when it gave a green light, it was usually aligned with what price actually did. Here's a real example. On the EUR USD 1-hour chart, the market prediction indicator gave a strong buy signal. The support zone from the resistance matrix was just below price, and the trend navigator showed momentum shifting upwards. I took the trade. 3 hours later, I was up 47 pips. Now, was it magic? No, but it simplified my decision making. I didn't need 5 indicators telling me different things. This system put everything into one clean interface. Another plus, it runs on TradingView, which means no downloads, no complex setup, and you can use it on your phone, laptop, or tablet. That's a huge deal if you like trading on the go. Still, no tool is perfect. There are moments when signals come late, especially on lower time frames. If you're a scalper, this might not be the best fit. Also, like any trading system, it doesn't remove the need for common sense. You still need to understand risk management, lot sizing, and when not to trade. And while the indicators are designed for simplicity, total beginners might feel overwhelmed at first. Luckily, the VIP indicator subscription includes a full trading course with over 100 lessons, plus 24/7 support, and a private Telegram group where you can get help or discuss setups. One thing I always look for with tools like this is transparency. VIP Indicators is sold through ClickBank, which means you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's important. You can try it, test it, and if it's not for you, cancel with no risk. Let's talk price. The monthly fee is just $9, cheaper than a Netflix subscription. And you can even try it for $1 for the first 3 days. That's basically a no-brainer if you're serious about trading. But maybe the real question is, who is this for? If you're someone who trades casually, doesn't want to stare at charts all day, but wants high-quality signals, this is built for you. If you're learning trading and feel lost with complicated indicators, this simplifies everything. If you're a full-time trader, this won't replace your strategy, but it can definitely help you spot opportunities faster. Think of it like having a second set of eyes, trained, focused, and always scanning the market. What surprised me the most was how it actually made me enjoy trading again. Instead of being glued to my screen, overanalyzing every candle, I could trust the system, execute my plan, and walk away. You know that feeling when you're unsure, when you're stuck between entering a trade and staying out. That hesitation kills profits. The VIP system reduces that friction. It gives clarity. Let's zoom out for a second. Most traders lose money because they lack structure. They either follow random YouTube strategies, jump from one indicator to another, or worse, trade emotionally. Tools like VIP indicators bring structure back, and structure creates consistency. So, is it perfect? No. Is it worth $9 a month? Absolutely.